what is the law, what is the crime that I committed, and the basis for detention. Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty or detention and the basis for detention. So what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? Even if you kill me now, it does not scare me a bit. Hindi naman ako magpasalamat, pero kaligaya ko na lang magpahinga na. Am I worth the toil of the police? At ako presidente noon, may gagawin akong kalukuhan. If they want to arrest me, I will go to them.
So, walang takot whatsoever? Wala, sir?
But fear of dying?
Yeah. Yung susundan ka ng mga ICC. May 100,000 na daw po na mga police na ka-deploy sa Davao, sir.
Kakahiya naman niya. Pakisabi naman sa kanila na dagdagan nila ng few more mag-recruit sila sa probinsya. Come to think of it, bakit gawin nila sa bayan ko at sa akin mismo? Am I worth the toil of the police? At ako presidente noon, may gagawin akong kalukuhan.